What's going on, guys? It's Kevin here with Mod My Mods and another how-to video. This is the Alphacool Eisstation, and this particular model is designed to work with the Alphacool DC LT ceramic pump here. So what we're going to do is show you how to put the Alphacool pump inside of the Eisstation here. And if you flip it over, as you can see, you have your LED strip, which is plugged in via a 3-pin fan header and illuminates the front half of the reservoir here. In order to install the pump, all you have to do is use the plastic mount that is included with it and the screws. Simply take the mount and thread it over the fan pin for the power for the pump, and it snaps pretty much right on top and right over it. And then insert the screws, and then insert inside of the Eisstation here. And there are a total of 4 different holes here, so you can mount the pump in whichever way suits your fancy. Once the pump has been securely faceted to the Eisstation, then you can route the wiring out the back and install your standoff screws to mount the bottom plate. You can then take the plate and mount it to the bottom. Make sure you use the screws with the flat heads, since the screw holes are already recessed and are designed to have a flush finish.